How to check last seen if hidden on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate to Instagram application and open it. Make sure you have signed into your account. To see the hidden last seen on Instagram of other users, you simply need to navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner and select the three-line icon at top right to access setting and privacy page. Then you need to simply scroll down and look for messages and story replies under how others can interact with you section. Select that. Now tap on show activity status and make sure you toggle on the button for show activity status. So this allows the account you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram app. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see activity status of others' account. So by turning on this feature, you can successfully see the hidden last seen on Instagram of other users. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.